Welcome to part 3 of our Lowe's Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal series, and this time we're heading outdoors. From high-powered leaf blowers and pressure washers to cordless lawn equipment and patio upgrades, Lowe's is dropping unbeatable prices on the gear that keeps your yard looking sharp all year long. Whether you're cleaning up after fall, prepping for winter, or getting a head start on spring, these savings make it easy to maintain your outdoor space without draining your wallet. Stay tuned, we're breaking down the best deals from brands like Ego, Greenworks, and Craftsman, all built to power your outdoor projects. 50% off Allen & Roth 10-inch square tabletop fire pit, now $49.50. Add warmth and ambiance to your patio with this compact tabletop fire pit, now half off. Easy to use and stylish, it's perfect for cozy nights outdoors. The portable design makes it convenient for small spaces or tabletop use, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting enjoyment. Save $100 on select Pit Boss pellet grills. Take your grilling to the next level with $100 off Pit Boss pellet grills, perfect for smoking, roasting, and grilling. These grills deliver rich flavor and precise temperature control. Ideal for backyard chefs, these grills are built to last and simplify outdoor cooking with convenient features like digital controls and large cooking surfaces. Save $4 on Holiday Living LED 100-count string lights, now $4.98. Deck the halls with bright, energy-efficient LED string lights, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. They make decorating for the holidays a breeze. Easy to hang and long-lasting, these string lights bring festive charm to any home while keeping energy costs low. Save $50 on Husqvarna 150 BT backpack leaf blower, now $349. Keep your yard pristine with $50 off this powerful Husqvarna gas backpack leaf blower. Lightweight, ergonomic, and efficient, it makes leaf removal fast and easy. Perfect for homeowners with large properties, this blower delivers professional-level performance with minimal effort. $50 off Greenworks pressure washers, now $299 to $399. Clean your driveway, deck, or siding with ease. Save $50 on Greenworks 2500 PSI, $299, and 3000 PSI, $399 pressure washers. Compact, powerful, and easy to maneuver, they make outdoor cleaning simple. With adjustable pressure and durable design, these washers provide professional-level cleaning for any outdoor project. Buy DeWalt 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Get free aluminum adjustable miter saw stand. Upgrade your workshop with this powerful DeWalt 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Perfect for precise cross cuts, bevels, and angled cuts, it features a 15-amp motor and smooth sliding action for professional results. For a limited time, get a free aluminum adjustable miter saw stand, giving you stability, mobility, and convenience on every project. Ideal for both hobbyists and pros. Save $50 on DeWalt 20-volt Max XR 4-tool combo kit, now $449. Get a complete tool kit with the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR brushless 4-tool combo kit, including power stack, compact battery, 5Ah battery, charger, and tool bag. These high-performance tools deliver power, efficiency, and durability for any project. Whether tackling woodworking, remodeling, or everyday fixes, this combo kit provides everything you need to get started or expand your collection. Save up to $90 on select Craftsman 2000 series rolling tool cabinets. Keep your tools organized with up to $90 off select Craftsman 2000 series rolling tool cabinets, featuring multiple drawers, durable steel construction, and smooth rolling casters. These cabinets make workshop storage simple and efficient. Available in multiple sizes and styles, they provide a secure, mobile solution for both garage and professional shop environments. $129, your choice, select DeWalt Power Tools. Score a great deal on select DeWalt Power Tools, including a 20-volt Max cordless reciprocating saw and 6.5-inch circular saw. Both feature durable construction, ergonomic designs, and reliable performance. Perfect for home improvement, DIY projects, or professional jobs, these tools deliver DeWalt quality at an unbeatable price. Save $50 on Kobalt 302-piece mechanics tool set, now $99. Tackle every repair with the Kobalt 302-piece mechanics tool set. With wrenches, sockets, ratchets, and more, this set equips you for any home or automotive project. Built for durability and organized storage, these tools make work faster, easier, and more efficient. Your choice, $119, DeWalt 20-volt Max brushless impact driver or drill. Choose between the DeWalt 20-volt Max brushless quarter-inch impact driver or half 1/2-inch keyless drill for just $119. Both tools are lightweight, powerful, and include a battery, charger, and soft bag for portability. Ideal for woodworking, construction, or home projects, these tools provide professional performance in a compact, convenient package. Your choice, $69, Craftsman V20 drill or impact driver. Get a Craftsman V20 1/2-inch keyless cordless drill or 1/4-inch impact driver for $69. Both tools include a battery and charger, delivering the perfect balance of power and portability. Compact and reliable, they're ideal for home DIY projects, repairs, and everyday tasks. Save $50, Craftsman V20 6-tool combo kit with soft case, now $249. Equip your workshop with the Craftsman V20 6-tool combo kit. With 6 essential tools, batteries, charger, and a soft case, this kit is perfect for DIYers and pros alike. From drilling to driving, it delivers versatility, convenience, and dependable performance in a compact set. DeWalt XR 20-volt 7-tool site-ready combo kit, now $649. Get all the essential DeWalt tools in a 7-tool site-ready combo kit. Ideal for pros and serious DIYers, this set delivers maximum power, durability, and versatility. Includes batteries, charger, and a soft carrying system so you can start any project immediately with professional-grade tools. Save $1 on Craftsman 30-piece screwdriver bit set, now $9.98. Complete your toolkit with this Craftsman 30-piece screwdriver bit set, perfect for household repairs, assembly, and general maintenance. Compact and durable, it's easy to store and carry, making it a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Save $160 on DeWalt 20-volt 4-pack lithium-ion batteries, now $199. Power up your tools with the DeWalt 20-volt 4-pack lithium-ion batteries, designed for long-lasting runtime and fast charging. These batteries are compatible with a wide range of DeWalt 20-volt max tools, ideal for professionals and DIYers alike. This set ensures you always have backup power on hand for continuous work without downtime. Save $20 on DeWalt 110-piece 4-case combo bit set, now $29.98. Get a complete set of screwdriver and drill bits with the DeWalt 110-piece combo bit set, organized in 4 cases. It's easy to store and transport for all your projects. Perfect for home repair, woodworking, and professional jobs, these durable bits are made to last and deliver consistent performance. Save $20 on DeWalt XR 20-volt max brushless 1/2-inch drive cordless impact wrench, now $329. Tackle tough fastening jobs with the DeWalt XR 20-volt max brushless 1/2-inch impact wrench. Brushless motor technology delivers longer runtime, higher efficiency, and extended tool life. Lightweight yet powerful, it's perfect for automotive, construction, or DIY projects that require precision torque. Save $30 on Craftsman V20 2-tool power tool combo kit with soft case, now $119. This Craftsman V20 2-tool combo kit includes a drill and impact driver with batteries, charger, and soft carrying case, designed for convenience, performance, and portability. Perfect for any project around the house, garage, or workshop, these tools deliver reliable power and efficiency for daily tasks. That's a wrap on part 3. From outdoor upgrades to must-have tools, these Lowe's Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals are too good to miss. If you found a favorite, hit like and drop a comment sharing what's going into your outdoor setup this season. Stay tuned, part 4 is coming, and we'll be closing out the series with home essentials, holiday upgrades, and exclusive savings you won't want to pass up. Until then, keep building, keep saving, and keep your home shining bright.